Hi, my name is Diana Larson. I'm with the Larson Law Office here in Houston, Texas, and today I wanted to talk about who is going to get the house temporarily or after divorce. Well, the first thing that we tell people is, can you reach an agreement with your spouse? Is it possible for you guys to agree who is going to live in the house while the divorce is pending? And if you can, that is probably the best situation. If you and your spouse can agree that one party is going to live there, the other party is going to move out, that is probably the best situation for your case. However, if you cannot agree, you're looking at having to go to court and have a temporary orders hearing to have the judge decide who is going to live in that house. And the court will hear testimony and the circumstances and determine who's going to pay for the house and also who is going to be able to live there. That typically means an exclusive right to occupy that house. That means that both parties are not going to be able to just come and go, typically. However, so someone will be awarded, at least temporarily, the right to be in the house exclusively. That will also determine who is going to be paying for the house, the mortgage, the utilities, and things of that sort. Just because you've been awarded temporary exclusive use of the house does not mean you're going to be awarded the house at the end after the divorce, because those actually that's when you're splitting the assets, and a court will determine how those assets are going to be split, who's going to be responsible for paying them, who has the resources to actually pay for those. So those are all things that we look at and we discuss when looking at who's going to get the house. But typically you're looking at either reaching an agreement or you're going to have to go to court, and somebody will be awarded that house at least temporarily, and at the end of the divorce somebody will be awarded it most likely at the end of the divorce, unless you're going to sell the house. And those sales of your residence also can be managed either at temporary orders or in a final decree. Again, my name is Diana Larson. I'm with the Larson Law Office. We can be reached at 713-221-9088.